Protection of the sovereignty bill everywhere. People are discussing about it. Major concern everywhere. Serious one. And here also Aber, Lillian, and Odonga have had their say. Let's check out. Of course, Aber will definitely defend the bill. It's from the NRM and a member of the caucus. I mean to say, NRM, a member of the cabinet. So here is what she said.
This bill is not in any way targeting any political organization. Not people power, not DP, not UPC, not anything. Secondly, all countries control money, foreign money that enters. All countries. I can tell you, if you carry money today and you're traveling to, say, maybe UK and you arrive, they will definitely check how much money you've come in with. It is something that is done across by most governments.
Dr. Dongoto this time around went more aggressive and had to put more emphasis on this bill.
The definition of a foreigner in the bill is being misinterpreted. They are saying, if me, Odonga, I lived in Spain for 3 years, I am in Spain and sending money to Honorable Aber Lillian, for the purpose of the law, for the purpose of tracking that money, I should be deemed a foreigner. It does not mean in any way that I've been ripped of my citizenship. Because the way we lawyers are explaining that is as if saying Odongato is a foreigner, it means he's not a Ugandan. They say no, for the purpose of that tracking, that financial, if I send $2 million to Uganda, for the purpose of me sending that money and all those receiving that money, for the purpose of the law, it is a contextualized word. But when I see in the social media, the law is going to deem Ugandans to be non-foreigners, I think that is a very restrictive and very dishonest way of interpreting the law.
So that is it. People are scared. There are a lot of aspects of this bill. One of the things that people are talking about is all the good things are a duplication, which looks like sugarcoating something, some intention, which is more dangerous. And then also, when you take a look at other elements like the vagueness, is too vague. You see things like penalties being too harsh, like 20 years in prison, up to 4 billion fines, giving extreme power to the Minister of Internal Affairs, bypassing courts, bypassing police, and this limits a lot of other normal processes for justice to be served to anybody who have been deemed criminal according to the law. So this law is worrying a lot of Ugandans, and I don't know if for the first time the government will think about this twice so that they don't use the power that they have via the NRM caucus to pass this bill. I don't know if the government will have a second thought on this bill, but the bill is coming in full force and everyone is scared about it.